So today we are unboxing a brand new member of the VIVO X series, the X300E. This device should be a model in the 4,000 to over 5,000 yuan price range. After opening the box, the phone is on the first layer. Let's set it aside and look at the accessories. There is a matching matte silicone case, no longer a clear one, a 90-watt USB-A charging cable, and at the bottom, a SIM ejector tool and a quick start guide. That is all for the accessories. So this is the real look of the X300E. Let me show it to you first. The color of the unit I have here is officially called Moonlight White. There are also Midnight Black and Sunlight Orange for a total of 3 color options. This time, the X300E's camera module has ditched the traditional large circle, opting for a minimalist square in the top left. The benefit of this is that the lens doesn't collect dust and it doesn't get in the way of your hand. It also feels better to hold horizontally while gaming. The design looks very minimalist and the camera bump has been reduced as well. You can also see the iconic Zeiss blue logo here. The back cover uses integrated cold carved glass, which feels very comfortable to the touch and is fingerprint resistant. Moving to the frame, you can see the antenna lines, which means it uses an aluminum alloy metal frame. The overall feel of the device in hand is very refined. Now let's turn it on and take a look at the screen. The screen features a 6.59-inch OLED narrow bezel display with 1.5K resolution. The visual clarity and transparency are both excellent. I personally find this size to be perfect. It is the golden size, neither too big nor too small, just right. Now regarding the device, let us look at its core specs. It is equipped with the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 processor, which makes everything from gaming to daily use feel silky smooth. As for the battery, it features a 7,200 mAh high-capacity Blue Ocean battery, plus 90-watt wireless charging. As for other features, ultrasonic fingerprint, full-function NFC, dual stereo speakers, and IP68 and IP69 water resistance are all supported. So what do you think of this brand new X300E? Feel free to leave a comment below.